How you doing? My name's Mike Ulrich. I'm here today again with MarineMax Venice, and today we get to do a video walkthrough on the all-new Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. Let's climb aboard and get started. So starting off right here at the transom of the 250 Dauntless, you're going to notice that you got a lot going on. It's nice that every seat can be closed to have a nice casting platform, but below them you've got a few different options. So right here in the middle, a little different than the 270 Dauntless, the live well is going to be located right in the back. That is a 35-gallon live well with lights. Over on either side of the live well in the back of the 250 Dauntless, you're going to have two jump seats. It's unique on how Whaler designed them. So it's a twist and lock here that comes forward. The seat then flips back up, and you got a removable cushion that goes right below. So it's nice that you can have storage underneath it. But the cool thing they did is how this actually goes on there. So there's two clips that go right underneath, but there's actually a big magnet in here. So when it sits down on it, not only does it clip in on the front, but you also have a magnet that holds the seat on the back. And you'll notice that they're a lot wider than your average seat, so you can comfortably sit two people in the back here and still have access to your live well and casting platform. Standing up on the aft casting platform, you'll see how much room you have back here to easily work the boat. You're going to have two rod holders on either side, so you have four across the back that don't take away from your seat backs. This one's going to be powered with the white 300. You can get this boat in actually quite a few different options for power. You're going to have the 250, 300, 350, or of course, go all the way and slap a 400 on it. So this one was ordered with the upgraded leaning post with the storage option. There's three different seats that you can get on this boat. This one, of course, gives you the storage, nice area for the 5-gallon bucket over here on the side. You can get a competition leaning post that is more piping with a cooler area underneath, or you can get the reverse pilot seat that has a cooler underneath. This one here, the upgraded one with storage, is my favorite because it's a feature that you get on a lot larger boats that they're able to pack on the 25. So you have two individual bolster seats, so somebody can stand up, but somebody can sit comfortably next to them while you're underway, and you have the nice big drop-down armrests. Over here on the helm, you've got a lot going on, and it's laid out awesome. So this one is equipped with the 12-inch screen on this side. You can get this boat with twin 9s. On here, you're going to have your Mercury vessel view, your Fusion head unit. You have a nice lockable glove box over here on the side, VHF below, all your rocker switches, of course, a nice Dauntless logo in there. And then you're also going to have your Lenco trim tabs with indicators right here next to your throttles. Up on the top of the helm, you're going to have some nice sea deck up here, so your phone and stuff isn't going to run around, but you also have a nice spot with a wireless charging pad to throw your phone up there. So you have three different options for tops or shade options on this one. This one, as you see, is equipped with the sun top and bimini boot, which is great if you're in an area that has to get under a little bit lower bridges. You can also get this in a T-top with a canvas top on it in blue or black, or you can get the fiberglass. If you upgrade to the fiberglass hardtop, you can get the gel coat underneath matched to match the gel coat scheme on the side of your boat. So you do have the option on this one for the bathroom. Nice large head compartment, excellent for storage, and of course for the bathroom, as you can see. Moving forward to the bow of the boat, you'll notice that you've got a lot of cushions, which is nice. So it's not your typical fishing boat. Again, Whaler gives you the option to have lounging. So you pop both these up so two people can easily lounge facing forward. And then you also have this massive sun pad here. This one, of course, does have the nice garage cover on it. That way all your cushions aren't getting beat up in the Florida sun when they're left out. You've got two big armrests that drop down on either side, and there are actually two nice built-in cup holders here. Underneath this, it locks, is your big garage storage compartment. So this is incredibly deep. The cover is located in there currently. But another thing that Whaler did is right here, you'll notice on the top, this is your teak table. So you got an option that if you have the table mounted up in the front, that mounts right here off a little L bracket. But it's nice, you can sit up here and enjoy the day, have some drinks, wine and cheese, basic lunch, anything like that. You can do it all in the same boat. Up at the front, you have all the cushions. If you want to go out for a day of fishing, all of the cushions are removable. You can throw them nice in this big garage. But you drop these down nice and easy. Underneath here, you're going to have insulated storage. That is a drain for direct overboard drainage in there. Close that down. Up in the front, cushions remove. fold up to store easily, and you're going to have a designated anchor locker also right in the front of the boat. So that's it. Thank you for watching my video walkthrough on the all-new Boston Whaler 250 Dauntless. Again, my name is Mike Allard. For more questions, you can reach me at the number located below. This boat is currently located at MarineMax Venice. Have a great day.